Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe which you guys can make it for the breakfast or for the evening snack. So let's start. So today I'm going to share the recipe of chili cheese toast. So for this recipe what you need 4 slices of white bread, and here I saw chopped some red chilies and some garlic and some cheese, mozzarella cheese, and here is some chili flakes, and here is some butter. I'm not going to use all this butter guys. So let's start. So first I'm going to apply little bit of butter into this bread slice. But this recipe I'm going to show you guys how to make it in the oven and how to make it in the uh, gas. So I'm going to apply the butter in all the breads. Hey guys, I applied the butter in the bread, and now it's time to add some chilies. So I'm adding the red chilies. So you can add any chilies guys, that is up to you. I'm adding green also, it gives a nice color, that's all. Hey guys, can you see it's very colorful in the bread, and I added chilies in the bread, and it's time to add some salt. Sprinkle some salt. And it's time to add the cheese in the top of the bread. So you can add any cheese guys, you can add the mozzarella cheese or the cheddar cheese, anything. So if you are not getting this cheese, you can use the sliced cheese also, that is up to your choice. So this is very easy recipe guys, and the kids will love this one. So this is done guys, and it's time to add some chopped garlic in the top. It gives a nice taste, and it tastes like a garlic bread also. And again I am going to add some salt. I sprinkled a little bit of salt guys, not too much, because we added salt already. And it's time to add some chili flakes. It gives a nice color. And I'm going to add some more cheese. Hey guys, I added some more cheese to cover the chilies and everything, and I'm going to keep it in the oven, but I will show you guys how to do it in the tawa also. So these two I'm going to keep it in the oven, and these two I'm going to cook it in the gas top. So when you are cooking in the oven, it should be in 180 degree, and you have to bake this one for up to 10 to 12 minutes, and in the meanwhile you have to check. So yeah, and I'm going to add this chopped coriander into these bread slices, guys. If you want, you can add the basil too, but it gives the nice Indian taste in the chili toast. Hey guys, I applied some butter in the tawa. I'm using this rotika tawa, but you can use any non-stick pan. And I'm going to keep this one, and you have to cook this one in a very low flame, medium flame, until the cheese melt. Hey guys, this toast is done. Can you see? Wait a minute. So this should be the color, guys. And I'm going to keep this one here. Hey guys, this one I cook it in the tawa, in the gas top, and this one I cook it in the oven. So can you see the difference between the oven and the gas top? So if you don't have oven, you can cook it in the non-stick pan. Otherwise, you can cook it in the oven, guys. So yeah, so this is done, and I'm going to put it in the serving plate. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make chili cheese toast at your home for the breakfast or for the evening snack to your kids. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. And please share this recipe with your friends and families. See you soon. Bye. And I'm going to try this one, guys. Yummy. Bye.